So today we face, as the industry, huge challenges. We have prices which are skyrocketing for building new buildings. We have less space to build. So what is interesting for a business school is to think about new business models and how can we work in smarter ways together, which is what we're doing here. Through the course of an entire day, we bring together 160 EDHEC students and over 10 different partner organizations to think creatively about what are solutions on the structure of the industry, on new materials, on new ways of building, and create energy for innovation.
So I find the hackathon day with the students was really impressive because it's really hard to find the information available publicly, and yet they were very convinced to pitch it very well, and they understood the core understanding of the circular economy as well. And that's how I find that they are well equipped to narrate their storyline to make sure that they will align with the value chain.
The responsibility of companies should be to foster collaboration between students and companies to early get into this innovative mindset and thinking to overcome the gap between industry and the students and help the students to have a quick entry into the working life.
So I feel like today is a pretty interesting day as we have the opportunity to discover new startups and to discuss with professionals.
It's a great experience. You get to meet partners from different fields. I got to research on different technologies and different companies.
It was a great experience to learn how to design futures and also understand foresights, to really gather insights from the industry and create a valuable future for tomorrow.